I'm going to show you how the app for Swvl works and how you can order your rides, and we will see that from some places you can travel as low as 40 shillings, and you can order bus for a longer distance, but where you can use the link to get around 300 shillings in your wallet. So let us check out the link. So there's this link here in this video, so let's click the link. Also the link is in the description below of this video. You can use that link to install the Swvl app to the Play Store, the Google Play, where we install the Swvl bus and car booking app. The reason why I'm insisting on using the link is you will get what? You will get 300 shillings in your wallet that you will use to book yours or your rides. So I'm going to show you how to apply the promo code. Some people don't know to use the promo codes, so they find the fare. If the fare is 185 or 200, they just book with that amount instead of applying promo code. So today I'm going to insist majorly on how to apply promo code so that you can travel for less amount than the base fare for the particular route for the app to install. You should also use this link in the description below for you to get your first 300 shillings in your wallet that you will use to book your rides. For me personally, Swvl has been very much of assistant. So our app was open, then you open. Remember, we use the link that I posted in the description, so that by the time I said it will have given me 300 shillings. So we have opened the app. Let's wait for it to open. You allow the location, then the first thing you will be directed to put your mobile phone. So let's say for me, because I already installed my mobile phone, I will have so some of the procedure will not be shown. Let's say let me put another number that has not been used to set up a Swvl account. So it will auto detect the code that has been sent to the phone. After it has verified your number, next it will ask for your name. After putting your name, it will ask you for a password. After the password, it will direct you. Now you will have set up your account. Because now I don't want to use this number, let me go back and use the one that I've already signed in, because I don't want to use that. So it will be so let me put that way. So because I have already signed up for this app. Now it display nice to see you again. So you put the password that you had already set up. But if you had not signed up, it will direct you to verifying your number first. Then it will direct you to where now you put your name, then your password. Then it will take you back to the app where you can book your rides. So now I have put my password because I already signed up. So first, if you use the code that I used, you will go to your wallet and you will find 300 shillings. So it has they say we can't locate you. You can turn on the location so they can know from where and where you're traveling from. Okay, If you are the first time of using this app and you have signed until you have reached this place and you used the link that I attached in the description, and you tap these three lines on top here, it will direct you to your wallet, and in your wallet when you touch, you will see 300 shillings that you will use for your rides until they expire. They give you from the date of signing up, they will give you around 1 week to have used the 300 shillings. Okay, now I'm going to show you how the promo code work. Let's say you go to your trips. Now here in upcoming trips, you can see there's no upcoming trips because I've already used this app. When you go to the past trips, you can see all the trips that you have used. You see there are completed trips that I've been using this app, and it has been much of help to me. So if you look here, these are all the completed trips that I've been using. Now when you go to upcoming trips, because you are the first time signing up, now you go to book your next trip. So it asks you from where to where. Now you can say from my location, so it will detect where you are to another place, let's say to work. Because okay, let's say from this example, let's say from my location, let's say I'm traveling from Kitengela, let's say from Kitengela West, let's say from Kitengela West Hospital to, let's say, Equity Center Nairobi. So it will auto sync, so it will bring you to this. So let's say Wednesday from Kitengela West, the vehicle will be leaving at 6 a.m. and it will arrive at the Equity Center 7:31. So the amount is 185. Then you click. When you click, it will bring you here. So the fare is 185. The wallet credit, the wallet credit is the money that it will deduct from your wallet. Deduct 185. Some people go straight to click the red button, book, of which without applying the two on top here, you see there's apply promo code. So you go to apply promo code. For me, I have flat 40 and I have already, and if you are a first timer, there will be 100 trips remaining and the offer is valid until 28 May. But because I have already used the 20 trips, now it's remaining 80 trips. So let's say apply flat 40. Now the fare was in 185. The promo for flat 40 gives me 145. Then from the wallet it will deduct only 40 shillings, meaning I will only use 40 shillings from my wallet. Then you click book. Okay, what if you do not have flat 40? I'm going to show you how the other promo code works. So we remove the flat 40, you go to the other, so it will get 35% off up to 70 shillings. So apply, have 35 applied, so it will save you 64 shillings. So from the wallet, and the fare that you have to pay is 120 shillings. So from the wallet it will deduct 120 shillings. But I will not use the AHTF35 promo code because there's the flat 40. So let me say the way the flat 40 works. So you go apply the flat 40, it will tell you flat 40 applied, then you go to book. You see trip successfully booked. Then you can view your trip details. It will show you the driver, and then you see you will only be able to call the captain when the trip starts. So it will show you can cancel. Here there's an option, you can cancel before 3 a.m. on February 23rd to get a full refund. Then it has showed you that you can, from the wallet, it's only 40 shillings that has been deducted, and it it will show you the name of the driver and the vehicle that the driver is using. If you need help, you can contact them. And then there is the 97 boarding pass. That's their number, the boarding number that you have been allocated to. So guys, you have seen how you can apply flat 40 promo code and how to install and how to get your first 300 shillings using the link that I've just posted here. You will see that the upcoming trips has already come here. Tomorrow, let's say from Kitengela West to Equity Center in 6 a.m. Okay, then you go this the wallet, your trips, your Apple payment. So the payment option that is there, it will show you the payment option that is there, that is cash or from the wallet. Then there's the packages that are available, so you can choose for 3 to 5 by 6 trips, that's around 75 shillings, to 10 by 3 trips, that's 7 shillings per trip, 680 by 12 trips. You can divide that, and I suggest that you take this for 13.75 for 30 trips. So when you do the maths, it will be about 45.8 shillings per trip, so you'll be saving a lot. So again, I'm going to show you where so we were in the packages, the free rides here is a section where you can refer someone and you get the 300. So you share the referral with a friend. Your friend completes his first ride, you will earn 300 shillings, and your friend gets 300 shillings when they complete their first ride. So you share it with a friend. I'm also going to show you where you need help. You can tap where you need help. It will show you conversations that you have let it to open. So Swvl help, so you can chat with them. And then the last thing is about the legal use, the terms and conditions, privacy policy. In case you have any questions regarding the usage of Swvl app and how it will help you to save on your daily fare usage, please feel free to comment in the comment below. Also, you can reach out, so if I can do another video about it so that you can understand. Please continue using as much as these promo codes. It will help you to save a lot. So there's also trips to, let's say, you can check, you see there's trips from Winki to CBDI, Upper Hill, Kawa West. These trips actually most of the parts of Nairobi. Also you can travel from Kakamega to Nairobi to Kisii. You will see all those trips. But if you want me to do another video about this, feel free to comment below. Thank you for watching, and keep posted in Inventor 254. Thank you.